Hello and welcome to Rust, Sweat and ADO's. Tonight we're going to take a little bit of a workshop tour because I need to tidy up and try and get some bits and pieces over on the shelves over there. I'm also going to try out my new camera, which as you can see I've got a microphone on, hopefully it makes the audio a bit better, but we'll find out later. The main reason I bought the action camera is so that I can film my paint prep as well as my spraying in the new booth behind me without damaging my phone or laptop with dust and fumes and things like that. So it's really sacrificial, but I'm not sure how steady this is going to be or how good the video quality will be, but we'll see. So I'm going to go hang it up on the side and then my brother's going to do some prep work. Right, so unfortunately, or fortunately I guess, this video is a lot shorter than it should be. Unfortunately, my little camera, my new one, only captured half the paint process. But thankfully I didn't do too much, so all I did is I put the magenta in primer. The top coat will be in the next video, so look out for that. So here we go. Look at that. It's actually one of the best paint jobs I've ever done. And the new booth working well. The new fans are working incredibly well. My compressor did a good job. Just through there. I got all my pipe work in now, which is really, really nice. And all of the car is now in primer. We're going to end the video there, and in the next video you'll see me putting top coat on. Can anybody guess what colour it's going to be? That's the question. So, for now, it's goodbye, and thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.